Hello friends, hope you guys are doing good. Today I am going to show you one of my latest web application that is called Click and Eat. Click and Eat is a Blazor server based web application which is using MS SQL Server database on backend. Any fast food restaurant can buy it and host it to list their complete menu online. So the customer can place the order online by adding the products into cart. One of the most interesting and useful feature of this web application is whenever the customer places the order, admin on the other hand in admin panel get the order instantly without refreshing the page. Yep, you heard it right. There is no need to refresh the page again and again to check if there is any new order or not. You will get instantly order on the same page without refreshing the page. Admin can confirm the order, cancel the order, and user will get the email notification. If admin confirm the order, user will get a complete bill as well in his email. Let me show you everything practically. Look at this. This is the first page, or let's say this is the hero section of my website, Click and Eat. And this is the order now button. By clicking on this button, customer can open our WhatsApp chat and can communicate with us on WhatsApp. And here is the list of the products, or you can say this is the categories available in any restaurant. Like we have pizza. If customer want to order pizza, he will click on view product pizza, and here is the list of the pizzas. As you can see, if he want to order fajita pizza, all the variants of the pizza are mentioned here with the rate list. If you want to order medium pizza, he will select the medium. Upon selecting the medium from drop down, add to cart button will get activated. When he will press add to cart, this message will pop up, and then we have two options: add more products and go to cart. If I will click on go to cart, I will get navigated to the cart. And if I want to add more products, I can click here and I can keep going on. Like if I want to add crown crust pizza in small, I will select small from drop down and add to cart. Again, add more product, go on categories. Here it is. Like now I want to add shawarma. Here it is, zinger shawarma. I want to add the large one. Select and add to cart. Add more product. Let me add few more things. Like I want to order dew as well, and maybe one Pepsi as well. Okay, now go to cart. I can press here to go to cart, or I can navigate on my navigation bar, and here is the option, the cart option. If I will click here, I will also get navigated to the cart, and here are my all the products which I have added into the cart. I can increase the quantity, I can decrease the quantity, and I can remove any product if I want. Here are the delivery charges. These delivery charges are configurable under the settings section of the admin panel. This is the complete bill. And now here is click here to confirm the order button. This button will get activated when I will provide all the information here. Like if I want to place the order, this is the place. I will write the name here. I will provide my email address here, and I will provide my phone number here. I will provide my delivery address here where I want to get my order. And let me write some additional notes, like I want some extra cheese and less spice in my pizzas. Okay, so click here to confirm the order. But for now, I'm not going to click here to confirm the order because I want to show you how I get the order upon clicking without refreshing the page. Let me copy the link, open it Let me open it again with the admin login. Here I will provide my username and password. My admin is my username and password. Press on login button. This is the admin panel. We will talk about it later, but let me show you live order board. This is the live order board. Here the admin get the live order without refreshing the page, as I told you earlier. Let me show you the demo. I will keep this page here and this here like this, and I will place the order in front of you so you can see how we get the order instantly. Okay, name, email, phone number, everything has been written. Now click here to confirm the order. Look at this. I just got the order in my admin panel without refreshing the page. And what on the customer side, customer can see his total bill as a receipt and with a thank you message, as you can see here. Customer can close it. And now let me show you something else. We also have deal section here where we can create the deals and can show, like we have a partner deal and these are the items of the list, deal, and we can scroll them up and down to check. The site is completely responsive and looks perfectly fine on mobile as well. Now let's have a view of admin panel. Oops, I closed it. Now let me restart it and show you again. Okay, the site is live again. I closed it by mistake. Now let me go to admin panel. Here it is, log in, and here we have the pending order. I can press on view order where I can see all the items of the order, and here is the additional note. I can cancel the order and I can confirm the order as well. If I will press confirm order, the user, the customer, will again get a confirmation email with the complete bill. So let me press the confirm order, and here it is. The order has been disappeared from here, and we can check the history of the order from by opening the order list. The option is available in the last. As you can see, here are all the orders. We can delete the history as well. Now this is the admin panel, and we can create the category. If I want to add a new category in my restaurant, I can create the category from this place. If my category is based on variants, like in pizza, we have different variants: medium pizza, small pizza. So if the category which I am planning to launch and the item of that category are based on variants, so I will select yes. If the category is non variant based, I will select no. This is from where I can choose the picture of the category. Okay, and this is the place from where I can add the item. You have to keep care of few things here. If the product is variants based, and if you select variant based product, you will not write the price here, because you will provide the price of every variant separately from the variant section. Here it is. From here you can select the product, you can name the variant, and you can provide the price of the variant like this, and you can submit it. You can see all the variant details. As you can see here, if I write pizza here and search product, I can see all the variants and all the different types of pizzas, and I can edit or delete the details. I have the deal section as well, from where I can create a new deal and I can add items to the deal, like select the deal name, partner deal, select the product name, select the quantity, and please select the variant if applicable, like if I want to add small pizza into deal, if I want to add large pizza into deal, and etc. We also have user management section here, from where I can manage the users. These are the users who can log in into this section and manage the site. Admin can manage the complete site, and manager can, this the second one is the manager. As you can see, if you will click on the detail, you can see the role is manager, and the manager can have access to few options, and this the last one is the receptionist. Receptionist have the access to only live order board. He can process the orders only. Let me show you. Now I will log out from the administration panel, and I will log in again with the manager account. HAMMAD login. Now as you can see, I have only three options here as well. Now let me log out again. Now I will log in with my third account, and I will show you my access level. Here, as you can see, the receptionist can only have access to live order board, and he can process the orders coming into the website. So this is the demo of my website which I have created and available for sale, and any restaurant can buy it, host it, and use it. This is straightforward, simple website, easy for the customer to place the order, easy for the administration of the fast food restaurant to process the order, and for every order based task. This is very straightforward kind of app, and this is available for sale, and you can buy it. The link is given into the description of the video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.